here the other side. So we just crossed that on that side and now we're here. Quite hot right now already.
Saying this is who you are. You're waiting for a falling star, hoping I'm your saving grace. Come on, does it work that way? You took the shots and let me fall. You're waiting for a wake-up call, and I can see you had enough. Are you still looking now? And I know you're sick of the silence, and I know you wish we were fighters. This is my home. Slow down, or you'll be quiet, quiet.
Okay, we're here, guys. We're gonna go in the... How do you call this place, baby? There's no name. Just river. Hi guys, we're in another park. This is in the river, guys. But where's the river? Ah, yes, the river is there. It's right there, guys. We're gonna walk. We're gonna walk around here, guys, to explore the area because we haven't been here as well. This is my first time I'm visiting this place here, guys. Okay, let's explore, guys. You can bring your kids here. So for a walk, for a bike, or for skating, you can do skating also here. And you can go for a date here also. Yes, see, the old people is coming here also to relax, to enjoy the nature. Yeah, because lots of trees. And can you go there? No, it's very dangerous. Let's see. Let's take a look of the river. Okay, at the back. Can go down or no? Cannot go down. Huh? Ayan guys, I think can go down there, but it's scary. You see guys, there's a lot of cotton. Cotton is everywhere. I think from the trees, from these trees. You see, cotton like this. So from here guys can see the church, Larissa church, and that's the highway. Guys, baby, there's an exercise machine here. Oh, can work out here for free. And then there's something like this as so. And then yeah, he's doing holy hop here. What they call it? Holy hop. Oh, so good. You can do holy hop. And we're here in the... Where is this place? Oh, bridge. Yeah, this is the bridge. Some garden. There's a water also here if you want to drink. There's water. We're just still walking here in the park, guys. Oh, it's also quite big. And then when you cross that bridge, you can go on the other side. No. And there's a dog. Even the dog is taking a walk. Oh, see. Stage. I think it's on stage. Oh, also. Okay. So we just crossed that bridge. We've been there on that side and now we're here after we crossed the bridge. Quite hot right now already. It's hot now already, guys, but we're still exploring. We lose how many calories already? Oh, baby, your car. Which one? Which one you want? You choose.
Nobody checks the casita.
Your car is not here. We lose how many kgs? How many calories? We lose 5,000 calories because we've been walking for how many hours? For 20 minutes. Oh, but it's good. I'm sweating. Yeah, so it means I'm losing calories. I'm losing my belly fat, guys. My belly fat because it's getting bigger already. I lose, I think, half inch of it. We're going home now, guys. Okay, that's our scooter.